New competitive principle of tumor control by low-dose radiation. A new cancer treatment approach was tested in 114 women with advanced ovarian cancer. Instead of using high-dose radiation aimed directly at tumors, these patients received low-dose radiation to the lower half of the body. This method was designed to trigger mild injuries in healthy tissues, encouraging the body's repair cells, normally used by tumors for growth, to focus on healing instead. These results were compared to 190 similar patients who received traditional, high-dose tumor-targeted radiation. Both groups had the same surgery and chemotherapy. The results were promising. 34% of patients with newly diagnosed cancer and 11% with relapsed cancer survived 5 years after low-dose treatment, compared to just 7% and 0% in the conventional treatment group. This suggests that by distracting the body's healing cells away from the tumor, low-dose radiation can help the body indirectly fight cancer more effectively and with less damage to the immune system. Conventional cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation aim to kill cancer cells directly. While this approach has helped many patients, its progress has slowed in recent decades. One major issue is that these treatments also damage the immune system, especially the lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell that are crucial for fighting cancer naturally. This damage leads to a weakened immune response, shorter lifespan, and poor recovery, especially because the body has a limited supply of stem cells that produce these immune cells. Interestingly, research shows that tumors rely on the body's own young immune and stem cells, called morphogenic cells, to grow. These cells, instead of repairing healthy tissue, end up supporting the tumor. A higher number of lymphocytes in the body often means a smaller or less advanced tumor, suggesting that these cells help slow cancer if they are not being consumed by it. This study proposes a new strategy to fight cancer by redirecting these helpful cells away from the tumor and back to supporting healthy tissue. Instead of using high, toxic doses of treatment to kill cancer, which also damages the immune system, the idea is to use lower, less harmful doses that cause minor injuries to normal tissues. These small injuries distract the immune and stem cells, pulling them away from the tumor and toward repairing the body. This approach doesn't attack the cancer directly but changes the body's internal repair balance to favor the patient, not the tumor. This competitive method of cancer therapy offers a new way to manage the disease by empowering the body's natural healing systems, rather than just trying to destroy cancer at all costs. Our clinical findings suggest this approach may be a safer and more effective alternative worth exploring. We do not find of any principal objections to continue comprehensive investigation of competitive, low-dose radiotherapy as a cost-effective and alternative to the non-selective cytotoxic chemotherapy of cancer. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.